Hello everybody, my name is Todd. Welcome to my shop. Come on in, check it out. What really helped me out for what I do, I went to school for what I do, countertops and custom cabinets and furniture making. It really didn't teach me a lot. It was the day-to-day use and stuff. And I actually got in with a woodworker group and we broke off. There were 6 of us, and Chris Williams from Green Oaks Golf Cart, his brother-in-law, was in our group. Super intelligent guy, helped me out a great deal. Over in the back here, I have all my plywood, my particle board for my countertops and my cabinets and whatnot. I have in my rack over there, I have a super accurate inventory of laminate, different laminates that I have, about $60,000 to $70,000 of the inventory, dollar for dollar what I paid. I got a book with everything that's very accurate in the book, what I have in stock, so I know what I have if I need to get a little project, if I have the material, or if I get a big project, how much material that I need, because I might have some extra stuff in there. That helps out a great deal. I got bigger samples. I have people come over to look at bigger samples because it's hard to tell by a small sample. Over here is my spray board. We build all the tops on the tables. And then I spray my laminate over there and spray my wood over here. And we wait about 10 to 15 minutes, depends on the humidity, and stick them. We stick them with sticks so they move around. I'm able to move the laminate around a little bit because once it's stuck, it's stuck. So the popsicle sticks absolutely help me move stuff around and get it situated before I stick it. All this over here is all the tools that we need for the job. You know, belt sanders, miter saws, routers, stuff like that. TV is a super important part of my business, so I can watch the game or something. Like, we work a lot of nights out here. You know, I listen to the stereo all day. That's another important part of my job. This back here is where we do a lot of our cabinet stuff. I have routers set up that make the doors, that make the profiles and stuff. This particular one makes this profile right here and makes the rails and the stiles, and this one makes the cope cuts. That makes the side cut for the side of the door. Take that. Sits right in there. And then all these boogers here get sanded off. We drill the holes out, everything start to finish. Drill press helps me drill out all the doors that we build. You know, we do doors, just doors for cabinets. If you wanted to update some doors or you added something, we can do that. Joiner makes everything flat and smooth, ready to go into the planer to make everything a little thinner or whatever. I got a drum sander that's really key for taking out any pitting and any wood. Helps everything more uniform, stick together. Table saw. I got a huge outfeed table and it really works out well for any kind of big flat stock, anything like that. When I go out to fit the job, the wood's already cut the size, and then I go ahead and I number everything. So when I bring it back to the shop, it goes together like a jigsaw puzzle. So I can go 10, 11, that way. Them go together like that. Okay, hold on 1 second here, buddy. Yep, pop that. Okay, beautiful. How's that? We came out yesterday, fit everything, made all the appropriate marks that we needed to make, and then it went, when we took it back to the shop, it went together like a jigsaw puzzle. Like I think I showed at the beginning how we marked 1, 2 with a name on it, so we knew that 1 went with 2 and 1 didn't wind up with 7 or something like that over there. Name on it was another crucial process, so it doesn't get mixed up in the shop with somebody else's name. When we fit it, the end result was just really nice. This was 138.5 inches long by 93.5 inches on this side, and the little one was 28.5 by 87.5. Whatever. This is a pretty big kitchen, so they have a pretty big area. Sometimes you have a small kitchen. We took a 1x8 and cut it down into 1 5/8 inch pieces and sanded it all down. We put the wood on first and laminated it. We didn't pinhole it. I pocket hole screwed it so you wouldn't see any pinholes. It was sanded really nicely. It was a really nice product to work with. Hickory is super brittle, so it's really temperamental, so it took a little extra time to get the end result to a real nice top. There's no nail holes or anything like that. You don't you don't bump your hip into it, or your little one doesn't bust his head on it, or I round every corner that's exposed like this. I think that's a wrap.